Hello everyone, I'm Khushi from Alchemyst AI and I'm here to give you a mini tutorial on how to add a MCP server in VS Code. So all you have to do is go to VS Code, Control Shift P, look for MCP, add server, choose HTTP or server sent events, then copy this link from here, add it here, then enter. Then name your server. I'm gonna go with my MCP server, Alchemyst AI new, because I already added one. Then enter global. Now we have this here. All we need to do is add authorization header. So I'll copy this, add it here. Now for the authorization, you need a API key, which you can get on our platform, Alchemyst AI Platform. Go to settings. You can see all the keys here. Copy the default one or whatever you have here, or create a new one. Then paste it here. Start, and your MCP server is running. Now you can add the MCP server, like add a hashtag and search for the name my MCP server Alchemist AI new, and then search for any relevant context and it will give you the accurate answers. Like you can see I have a lot of context uploaded here which has come from documents, and if I search anything related to this it would give me accurate answers for that. And that's it. That's how you do it. Thank you so much.